we are rice harvesting today. The rice is ready. Got 2 fields to cut on the homestead, and that's enough rice for the year. Probably get about 20 bags. So get prepared, grow your own rice. We hire this combine harvester to cut the rice. So that field's done as well. All there. So there's a tractor there. Yep, so everything's gonna get harvested. The homestead's there, which is nice. Anyway, been waiting for 6 months now, I think. Yeah, we grew it in May, and now it's ready to cut. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye. So this is what the rice looks like. Okay, look at that. That's fresh jasmine rice. You got to lay it like this to dry, like a potato cookies here. Don't eat the rice cookie. Look at nice big grains of organic rice. You've got to leave it like this for 3 or 4 days to dry, and after you dry you can bag it up, and that'll be your rice for the whole year. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Get prepared, shit's gonna hit the fan.